welcome to a fresh update video of Lekki Avana Bungalow and Resort Estate Phase 2 here in Elerongbe, Ibeju Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. Of course, you are aware that this estate is sold out, but why am I here again? I'm here to show you the current developments in this estate. So many houses has been roofed already and construction is still ongoing. So in this video, I'm here to just show you the current development in Lekki Avana Bungalow and Resort Estate Phase 2 and to also congratulate as many investors who subscribe into this estate even way back when this estate was selling on a pre-launch offer. Here is the dividend of your investment. And for as many of you that are still looking for units available for sale in this estate, reach out to me. I have one of my clients who have multiple units in this estate who is willing to give out a unit for sale right now and is still giving it out on the old price, which is the pre-launch offer. If you are interested, what we have here is 4-bedroom bungalow without swimming pool. Reach out to me with the number displayed on your screen and I'll be able to provide you with detailed information on all you need to know and how to secure this unit that is very available right now. My name is Ibrahim Ishaba from Ishaba Reuters TV. Sit back and enjoy the rest of this video. All I came to do is to provide you with what is available right now, which is the house unit that is available for sale right now in Lekki Avana Bungalow and Resort Estate Phase 2. The entire estate is sold out, and coupled with the fact that I want to show you the current development construction updates on Lekki Avana Bungalow and Resort Estate Phase 2. If you're interested looking for land for sale within this location where you can buy and build to your taste, reach out to me. We have Mikasa currently selling facing this particular estate. You are seeing Lekki Avana Phase 2, and we have Zenita Garden Phase 2. We have lot of property available within this corridor. If you are looking for commercial plots, it's also available at Downtown Commercial, where we are still selling on a pre-launch offer. So reach out to me with that number displayed there. But if you are new on my channel, use this opportunity to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we come up with a valuable content just like this one. My name is Ibrahim Ishaba from Ishaba Reuters TV. Sit back and enjoy the rest of the view. I look forward to see you again in my next video. Bye for now.